Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing materials and acting immediately. Use a microfiber cloth, 70% isopropyl alcohol, cotton swabs, and warm water. You should place the sunglasses on a soft, flat towel, and if removable, take lenses out to protect frames. Once done, dampen the cloth with water and gently wipe loose dirt away. Make sure to avoid circular scrubbing. Now test the alcohol on an edge or inside rim to confirm coatings won't lift before applying to the right. You will remove the mark by dissolving the ink while protecting the lens. Dip a cotton swab in a small amount of isopropyl and touch it to the writing. Then drag the swab in one direction. Don't scrub in circles because coatings can scratch. Once the ink softens, use a clean swab to lift pigment away and repeat with fresh swabs until mostly gone. Make sure to alternate with a damp microfiber wipe to remove residue and inspect the surface frequently for coating changes. You finish by rinsing lenses under warm water to remove solvent residues, then dry with a fresh microfiber cloth using light strokes. Once dry, inspect for faint streaks. If you see residue, repeat the gentle alcohol swab process sparingly, then rinse again. If the anti-reflective or protective coating becomes cloudy, stop immediately. Further DIY risks permanent damage. For that situation, make sure to consult a professional lens lab or the manufacturer to restore or replace lenses.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.